Dear students, today's video is on speaking. On Mondays, I make videos on introduction questions. To see the topics I did earlier, you can see the videos on my channel Excellence the Ideal Class or on my Facebook or Instagram page. Now, let us see the topic for today. It's maths and numbers. First question. Is it difficult to learn maths well? For most of the people it is, because not everyone has an aptitude for maths and there is a little higher level of intelligence and concentration that is needed to learn this subject properly, especially when it comes to those difficult concepts of algebra, geometry or trigonometry. Second question. Do you use a calculator? Yes, of course I do. In fact, every time I have to do any type of calculation, especially one that is long or bit difficult, I make use of calculator because it's convenient, easy, and the answers are always correct. And this feature is available in my mobile phone. Next question. Is maths important? I think it is one of those subjects which finds the maximum use in our day-to-day practical life. So that is why this subject is important. We use it many a times in a day. And also all the development that has happened in the field of science and technology, mathematics has played a very important role in it. Next question. Are girls generally good at maths? I am not making a general statement here, but from my own experience, I have seen when it comes to mathematics, many a times girls struggle. And in this subject, many a times boys outshine girls. But again, I am not generalizing. Next question. Are you good at remembering numbers? Yes, I can say this about myself. Especially when I make a conscious effort, I am able to remember even long, complex numbers. Next question. Which is your favorite number? My favorite number is 8. And the only reason behind it is that it is my birthday. Next question. Do you usually use numbers? Yes, of course I do. In fact, right from the moment I get up in the morning till I go to sleep, I make use of numbers many a times. Whenever I have to calculate anything, I have to measure anything, or I have to do anything related to money, then I make use of numbers and other skills of mathematics like addition, subtraction and others. Dear students, when you are preparing for your speaking exam, and in case you are taking help from somewhere, please don't cram their answers without understanding. Examiner wants to listen to your original ideas and language, so please make changes. Secondly, be very natural in the speaking exam, the way you talk to people around in routine life. The only thing is that here you are doing speaking with examiner in a little formal setting, but after all it is speaking, so you have to be very natural. Thirdly, the moment you hear the question or you read the cue card, start thinking about it. Create a picture in mind. Try to recall what you have seen, heard, read or observed about it. Then ideas will start coming to your mind. But yes, you have to think a little fast. And lastly, please don't try to overdo. Many students do this to impress the examiner. Especially they try to use difficult vocabulary out of context. Sometimes they don't even know the meaning of the words they are using. So please don't do that. And whatever you say in your answer, it should be directly connected to the question. Like if you listen to my answers, every word, every sentence is directly connected to the question. This is also important. Students, IELTS speaking and writing exam preparation gives you a wonderful opportunity to develop your language and thinking to help you throughout. And in case you want to prepare well for your IELTS exam, you can join my class. I have given my contact number at the beginning. You can also subscribe my channel, Excellence the Ideal Class, where you will find a lot of content that will help you in exam preparation. Content related to speaking, writing with sample answers. Other than that, content related to grammar and vocabulary prepared in a way that it will help you in exam preparation. I hope that you find today's video useful and informative. All the very best for your exam preparation.